Okay, keep pressure on it. The doctor is on her way in. Does anyone know where Dr. Hilliard is? Oh, thank God. I'm starving. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Thank you for bringing me dinner.
Is everything okay?
Except for half the accident victims and a 10-car pilot being rerouted here from downtown and the ER attending not answering any of his pages. Yeah, I'm okay.
What does not answering pages mean?
It means that nobody can find him, so now we have to wait for the on-call to get here.
Miss, yes, excuse me, can I please have something for the pain?
Okay, I'm sorry, I know. But actually giving you something could complicate things, so we really just need to wait for the doctors. Okay? Okay, how much longer on Dr. Hilliard?
10 minutes.
I think I read online that sometimes human contact can help with pain.
Someone help me! Oh, I need help!
Okay, Gentle.
What did you do to him?
Nothing. He said he was having chest pains and trouble breathing, but it just kept getting worse.
This is not good. How much longer on Dr. Hilliard? Okay, his larynx has shifted to the side. I think it's a tension pneumothorax.
Mistletoe.
Can you two please go back to the waiting room?
Where are the nurses and the doctors? Where is everyone?
It's a full house tonight. They're tending to other patients.
Okay, well, Mom, how can we help?
Honey, you can't. His lung has collapsed. His heart is being pushed against his chest cavity, so...
He's gonna die, isn't he?
No. No, he's not. Scott, you grab the tape. You grab those scissors and cut his shirt open. Okay.
Mom, he's not breathing.
I know. Okay. Okay. Here we go.
Thank you.
No problem. What?
That was awesome.
Wasn't no problem, I mean, it wasn't a big deal.